What if a signaling fault could be caught before it ever happens? JMV LPS presents RDPMS, built as per RDSO. RDPMS is an IoT-based system that remotely monitors signaling devices in real time, tracking temperature, voltage, current, humidity, and vibration. Data flows to edge computing at the station gateway, where AI and machine learning analyze it instantly, then move to a central cloud that generates predictive alerts and insights. It shifts maintenance from reactive, fixing failures after they happen, to predictive and prescriptive, forecasting and preventing them in advance. Traditional maintenance reacts to failures after they happen. RDPMS changes this approach by predicting potential issues early and enabling preventive actions before failures occur. Field sensors on point machines, axle counters, track circuits, and chargers connect via LoRa or 4G to the station gateway. Data moves to the central cloud, reaching divisional HQ and pushing live alerts to web and mobile applications anytime, anywhere. Rugged current, voltage, temperature, and vibration sensors, a field transmission unit, and hardware work with AI-driven software and a unified web portal communicating over MQTT and HTTPS. From track circuits and point machines to earthing, relays, batteries, and signal aspects, RDPMS covers it all. The result: early fault detection, enhanced safety, optimized costs, and extended equipment life. RDPMS, engineered for India, built for the world. JMV LPS Limited.